People, look what I hired for him. A private helicopter.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza. Guys, it's Outlaw's birthday today. He's just come in. See him here. Happy birthday.
Another prayers.
Yes.
Long life and happy living. With a small piece of wealth.
Yeah. So what your plans for today?
Okay, I'm moving today, man. You know where the friends over there.
So guys, I've been trying to pass in traffic. Guys, I've been trying to get him to say, what does he want to do for his birthday? What do you want to do? Oh, he doesn't know. Just anything that happens. He wants to work today. Like, you've got some work to do in Discovery Bay. It can wait, but he wants to work. Guys, what do you think?
It's not taking about time. Just maybe an hour or two.
I think we should just chill and just do whatever.
No wrong with that. You think said right now?
Yeah. So show your boy some love. It's his birthday today. Yeah.
I'm proud of people. But there, you know.
Yeah.
Come to life. Good man.
Yeah.
These are there though. No one want a partner.
Alright.
Easy back and cook and some food or whatever. Or we'll get some food or whatever.
Yeah.
You have good time for that, man. So we just don't worry for it. You always say it's a long day, but everything gets short now. Everything short now.
Yeah.
So you have to make it where the sun shines. You know? And that's our prayer, people. Give thanks for that.
Yeah.
For that.
People, look what I hired for him. A private helicopter. Joke, I never.
And that's our prayer to people. Give thanks for life.
Yeah.
Captain does something can do anything more and do. I want them to shut us down the road and forward.
Yeah.
But to me, I can't park up by this, so I don't know. You should fly.
What do you think, people? We leave the car and take this?
No. Captain said, I can't do it, no, I have to do. Some forward, so you can't take your empty. I want them to shut us down the road and forward.
Maybe.
Yeah, forward down.
Yeah, of course. Anything you say aside.
Full copy.
Yes, people.
And some prayers to the people.
Yeah.
Just come out of the helicopter a while ago. Beautiful move.
Yeah.
Can't tell you. It's nice, it feel good. And I do like today. Give 2 more thanks.
So guys, remember this morning I said that he wants to work? We did our little work.
We just did it.
Yeah.
Just finished. Just a while ago.
We're in Discovery Bay. And Outlaw's decided he wants to go to Porto
Yeah.
and get some fish.
Yeah, you know,
That's what we're doing.
order your food and wait for it and sit down and
And we're
whatever.
very close by, so yeah, I guess it makes sense.
You understand?
How much is
How
it?
about the peanut?
100, get 100, 400, 200.
Oh, that's it.
For you, okay.
200 on it.
100,
Yeah.
1 or 2.
2. And that's on prayers.
Alright.
Give thanks for life.
So you just buy
Peanuts. Raw nuts, people. You know what I think of? Raw nuts is always with a
raw nuts.
Raw nuts.
No salt, no additive, no preservatives.
Man, that's on prayers. Take it to the pie. Yeah, this is raw nuts, my people. I eat some raw nuts. Keep it real, you know? That's how I feel. Keep it real.
On your birthday.
Happy birthday. You know what I think of? Yeah, man, we just go on everything. Run the last finger.
Look at the people, how nice is this? White sand.
Yeah, you did that.
Yeah.
You know about it? Yeah, man, pay it first. And that's on prayer. It's not really a long time. See them there? And that's prayer. Go on with a vibe and a with a try. Yeah. I'm a woman and a boy. Work.
gonna get fish for Outlaw and me and Malachi. Show them Malachi.
Yeah,
See how tall he is? Yeah.
Yeah, what do man?
So look at this. How nice it is.
Yeah, man. I think you need a better place than this to go and chill out. With a little vibe. Breeze of low, watch nature, and over. Good.
Yeah.
Boo there.
Look at the TV. See there, father and son? Father and son. No joke.
Just say father and son.
Yeah.
So when about nothing bad going on, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Hey.
It's life for people.
Yes, I get back some place. I'm looking for more money, more problem. More content, some fire like I'm going to the fence. I'm starting to make confidence.
So yes, people are at Puerto Rico. Explain to the people them how it works here.
Yeah, you know, I think of people.
It's like Hellshire.
Same thing like Elsha. You just
Yeah.
go over there and pick what you want. Pick what the fish you want, or the
Yeah.
lobster you want, whatever. And just leave it for them look after it.
Yeah.
Steam or fry.
Yeah.
Yeah, full
Same,
levels.
Yeah, same way like Hellshire.
Just
Same
like
thing.
it.
Choose
Steam
your
fish
fish.
and festival, or
They
you
prepare
want
for
some
you.
fries or whatever.
Yeah.
Or you go steam something.
Yeah.
You know, steam, you go steam my one.
He's having steam, I'm having fry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So things set up. We're gonna go vibe, have a drink until the food ready.
That's it.
Move from chair to chair. Swear.
Thank you.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, we good now?
That's a
What'd you
private
get?
people. Steam fish though.
Look at that, people. Steam fish. Look good.
Steamer.
We got a fried snapper. Another fried snapper.
Oh, it's not fries.
I got fries. You both got fries. Yeah.
We got steam.
Steamed fish.
Salt?
Yeah.
Think it's alright, you know?
Yeah, man, it's alright. Yeah, it's
Think
good.
so?
If you know what's all that, you know.
Alright, me tell you.
Yeah.
What to do?
Put my finger, boy.
What do?
Put my finger.
What do?
I'm going like this, and I'm looking at this, innit? And instead of biting down and...
Move at it so hard.
Have you ever bitten your fingers so hard like that?
Long time ago. You do it long time ago. So hard.
I want to bite down on the chips, yeah.
That's not my finger, brother. Can't. Good, doing good. But your finger here, so. Where do you make finger?
How is it so far?
Good.
You doing alright?
Manners and prayers. Good, man.
Good? Yeah. Everyone's enjoying. I'm doing alright. It's quite big though, isn't it? A big fish.
Good size.
Done. You done?
I'm not done. Just a come.
You can't look like it's just coming, people, does
That's
it?
up there.
Look there.
Yeah, I'm shot with that good, man. Don't do
Nothing
that.
left.
You can't do that, girl.
Nothing left.
Hey, and attack me for done?
Good man.
Embarrassment.
I'm done.
Yeah. So that's
Everybody done.
Food thing of food style, that food flavor, everything, you know.
Tastes good though, people. Tastes good. Come to Puerto Rico. Come to Caribbean style seafood bar and grill on the beach. Yeah.
So what think of people? So what think of? You know what think of?
So yes, people, we not too long came up from Puerto Rico Beach. How was your fish?
Nice dish.
How was your day?
Kid and play.
Yeah. You had a good day, right? It was a nice day.
Yeah, man, good man.
Yeah, so
Nice.
we're home now. We're gonna chill. We're gonna have some rosé. We've only got one wine glass, people. Don't judge us.
No, I drink wine. When I say one glass, you can't drink wine. You get out of the bottle.
Yeah, so
You know what thing up, people?
yeah.
I take it easy. Give thanks to life. So you come and get that.
Alright. Alright, I tried to take out the wine glass, but okay.
And prayers.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
for she people. Something there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I
Take
want
out
that,
yours.
There's something in name. Long life and happy living. Good health. Good health. Good health.
Yeah.
Good health.
Good health. Very important. Good health.
With a small piece of wealth.
Yeah.
So we give thanks to life.
Yes.
You know everything good. Yeah, like you should.
So you said good health with a small piece of wealth,
Yeah.
long life and happy living.
Respect our man.
Yeah.
Give thanks to life.
Yes.
The best people, that's what we think. Yeah, every move we make with us, give thanks, you know.
Yeah.
A day like today, which is my day, you know, say, let me give thanks to it. And nothing to see it now, and when I'm going to stop, you know, so. Well, it's for the have it, we got to work up for that something.
Yeah.
So,
Definitely.
man, I done prayers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Long life and happy living.
Yes. Good, innit?
So, right now, we have a little wine,
Yeah.
a little from this. We're dying.
Okay, we done. So, guys, yes, as I said, it's a big man's birthday today. It's coming to the end of the day. We've had a really good day today. Yeah, really good day. So, people, just shout out with some love. And, guys, thank you for your support and everything with our channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now.
Do it now.
Please like the videos. Remember to watch the ads as usual.
What's a piece of that?
And until next time, that me say.
Mr. Soto.
Later, guys.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.